The worst Christmas gift I ever gave anyone was I took Louise, my wife, and our newborn baby and her parents away for Christmas to a cottage. And for one reason or another, traffic and work, we got there just after midnight with our 7-month-old baby to discover that the heating had broken down. In the 6 inches of snow, the entire house was absolutely, it was about -6 inside. So it wasn't quite the rosy log-fired, beautiful cottage gift that I thought I was giving. Not good. Christmas book? It's really hard to look past Christmas Carol. It's not the most original choice, but wow, what a story. Not just full of joy, but also actually quite angry. Things haven't changed that much for a lot of people. So he just nailed it. What a writer. And I got to play Scrooge. It was fun. Probably a character that transforms like no other. Goes from that extreme curmudgeonly misery to utter joy, but also a man who doesn't know how to be joyful. He's full of all these impulses of generosity, and doesn't have the equipment or the skills to know how to do it. So that's really lovely to play as an actor. Favorite Christmas movie? Die Hard. It's not the most Christmassy of movies, but it's fun, and it's got Alan Rickman being amazing. So he's my hero. My favorite Christmas side dish, I have a obsession. I'm going with obsession about roast potatoes. They've got to be good. They've got to be good. I'm not having greasy, mushy, undercooked lumps of oily grossness. They've got to be crisp on the outside, crisp, and they've got to be soft and fluffy in the inside. Don't come near me when I'm doing roast potatoes. Just stay out of my way. Dog or cat? I'd go dog, but don't tell my cat. Coast or countryside? Coast. The sea. The sea, the sea, the sea. Cozy cottage or stately home? Cozy cottage. Who? What? Stately home? You'd have to pay me. Wild swimming or sofa time? I wish I could say wild swimming, but it would be a lie. Sofa time. Pub lunch or cream tea? Again, there's just no. It's pub lunch. Who would say anything different? Early bird or night owl? Oh, I used to be a night owl. I have to admit I'm now an early bird. Actually, I'm neither. I go to bed early and I get up late. What does that make me? Rustic or modern? I think rustic, yeah. Yeah, I'm about as cutting edge as a ruler. Gone or scone? Scone. 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 Dinner al fresco, supper by the fire. Al fresco if it's warm enough, but it's all weather dependent. They're both good. Can I have both good? They're both good. Spring flowers or autumn foliage? Life or death? I'll go with life. Spring flowers. Theatre or TV? Theatre. It's just nice to be with other people. Comedy or drama? Both. The good stuff has both. Oh, reindeer or elf? Reindeer? Those elves have had it their own way for far too long. So I'm part of the reindeer union. Merry Christmas.